Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to talk about something very important in the legal world, concurrent sentencing. It's a term you might hear in court cases, and understanding it is key to grasping how justice works. So, what exactly is concurrent sentencing? Simply put, it means that if a person is convicted of multiple crimes, their sentences for each crime will be served at the same time. They run alongside each other. Think of it this way. Imagine someone is found guilty of two different offenses. Let's say crime A carries a sentence of 2 years, and crime B carries a sentence of 3 years. If the judge orders these sentences to be served concurrently, the total time the person spends in prison would be 3 years. The 2-year sentence for crime A is completed within the 3-year period for crime B. They overlap completely. This is very different from consecutive sentencing. With consecutive sentencing, those sentences would be added together. In our example, 2 years plus 3 years would equal 5 years in total. But with concurrent sentencing, the individual serves only the length of the longest sentence. Judges often choose concurrent sentencing for several reasons. It might be used when the crimes are closely related, perhaps committed during the same incident or as part of a single criminal act. For instance, if someone commits robbery and then assault during that same robbery, a judge might decide the sentences should run concurrently. It can also be seen as a way to ensure the punishment fits the overall severity of the defendant's actions without being overly punitive. The judge considers many factors when making this decision. They look at the nature of the crimes, the defendant's criminal history, and any sentencing guidelines that apply. Plea agreements can also play a big role, where a defendant agrees to plead guilty in exchange for a recommendation of concurrent sentences. The goal is always to deliver a fair and just outcome. It's a complex decision that weighs the impact of each crime against the broader context of the defendant's actions. Understanding concurrent sentencing helps us see how courts manage multiple convictions and determine the actual time someone spends incarcerated. Thank you so much for watching and learning about this crucial legal concept. If you found this explanation helpful, please consider supporting the channel. A like, a share, or even subscribing really helps us continue creating informative content like this. We appreciate your support greatly.